Oh, so they call this one the brick because it would look perfect smashing through a car window. Hey guys, today on PC Guide we're going to be doing another Facebook Marketplace review where we look at the scammers, the weird tech, and the just plain stupid. This time we're in LA. Let's get into it. I don't even know what this is supposed to be. My first thought was for someone who's an amputee, but you still have to have two hands at that point. It says optimal for competitive Fortnite, but if someone busted out on the stage at one of the tournaments with one of these, I don't think anyone would be taking them serious. Looks more like a torture device designed to break your fingers. Now here's one that I actually liked. I like it because of how original it is. Back in the day, this would have been like the shit to have because you just get essentially a tablet running Windows XP. Now this is pretty cool. I wonder if you could mod it to run a more updated OS. Well guys, it looks like we got our first scam. $1,400 for a GTX 1070 and a Ryzen 5 3600X. I mean, really? That's like $800. Also, literally any game you can think of won't run buttery smooth. And 200 FPS guaranteed? Well, maybe at 4x3. Also, could someone explain this trend of putting toys in your computer case to me? I really don't understand it. I can't help but laugh at this one. Why would you Photoshop the chair into a room? Like, they literally used this picture and pasted it right into the room. Why wouldn't you just take a picture of the chair itself? Now here's a cool one. This is an eGPU enclosure, which means it's an external GPU shell essentially, and you can plug this into your laptop so that you can have a discrete GPU running for your laptop without it being inside of the laptop. Really cool stuff. Oh boy, I can't wait to have a broken Spyro and CTR demo disc. Only imagine what the bottom would look like. Frankenstein's monster? Well, this has got to be good, right? Oh no. I mean, I thought that it would at least have like a good part in it. Athlon 2X2, this can't even run at 1920 by 1080 anymore without the GPU there. I actually don't even know if this has onboard graphics. Oh, come on. You can play anything in either high or ultra, barring the most demanding titles? That's just... a 1280 by 1024, maybe. I mean, you have a solid maybe on like half the titles, but I don't even think you're gonna be able to run 60 frames per second on the Athlon X2. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm crazy, but I don't think I am. You gotta love the intake fan cooling down your SSD. And no exhaust fan. Wow. Don't worry guys, that PSU fan is really gonna be carrying this build. You know, and the worst part is, I was thinking, you know what, it's good for practice, and he's reselling it, that's fine. But when you're just lying blatantly on running higher ultra, that's just fucked up. I mean, $300, it's not even worth that. I don't even know what to say, that's disgusting. You know, I wonder if you could make a build inside of a fridge. Right, because I mean, your thermals would never get that high. Maybe because of the poor ventilation, I don't know. I think these cube cases are so dumb. They take up so much space. Okay, $2,000, really? I guess he has 64 gigs of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, but $2,000 when it's just a 2080 Ti is a good card and all, but it's been usurped by the 3070. No? Right? 3070, 3080, one of those two? Bro, you really couldn't even just upload a picture? You had to take a screenshot? Guys, I'm gonna be real with you. I want a Nick Slime computer so bad. First of all, fuck you for scalping. Second of all, pretty sure your AIO is in the wrong spot. Think you might want to have it up here, bud. Not positive on that one. Weird configuration if not, though. See, like, do you guys think I could fit a micro ATX in here? Screw it in sideways? I think I could. Who the hell thought to themselves, damn, my trackpad is awesome. I wish I had one that was giant. Buy a fucking mouse. Jesus, just looking at this gives me anxiety. Like, I get the open air configuration and everything, but... Okay, really? You're gonna choose white goo as your coolant? I'm just saying, like, I don't know. Reminds me of something. Maybe I'm in the wrong here, but that's disgusting to me. I think those look so ugly. You got your little gamer goo going all over all your parts. What the hell is up with that? Also, I don't really understand the point of having this open air configuration if you're just gonna hard pipe the entire thing and liquid cool it. Also, $4,500? And you're getting a 2080 Ti. I mean, I guess it's been water blocked and hard piped, but seriously, $4,500? That is like overpricing it by over $2,000 in my opinion. You're only getting a 750 watt power supply gold rating. You're not even getting a platinum. Either this guy's scamming or he's just delusional. He's gotta know what he's doing because he hard piped his entire computer. Also, is it just me or is his piping, like, aesthetically unpleasant looking? I don't know, it just seems like it takes up a lot more real estate than it needs to. Well guys, I think I've had about all I can take. Remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment saying what you think was the most disgusting part of this whole thing. I'll see you in the next one.